To make our recipe, I have here one egg, a medium-sized egg. I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of sugar. If you want to make a savory version, just replace the sugar with salt. Okay. I'll beat it a little with a fork. Now I add 1 cup of wheat flour. My cup is 250 milliliters. I am going to add half a cup of milk here inside, which I actually spilled a bit of, but it's half a cup of milk. And I'll mix well for about 2 minutes until it becomes a very smooth and homogeneous dough. Those who prefer a more streamlined approach can certainly use a blender, but I prefer to do this by hand to illustrate how incredibly easy this recipe is. Yes, and you can make it at home. So after a few minutes of our mixing, look how smooth our dough is now. Now I add a tablespoon of oil and a teaspoon of baking powder, chemical baking powder, to the mixture. Now stir gently just until the yeast is dissolved and the oil is well incorporated into the batter, resulting in a texture like this. Ooh, I'll show you up close. Look how beautiful this batter is. This batter yields 2 filled pancakes. I took a 20-centimeter frying pan. I like to grease it with a little oil. I put it on low heat. I put about 1/4 of my batter here. I spread it well to cover the entire bottom. Now I add my filling. It can be dark chocolate, white chocolate, strawberry, guava paste, or any other filling of your preference. And then I cover it with another 1/4 of my batter. This pancake uses about half the batter. That's why I told you it makes 2 pancakes. And it's very important to cover all the chocolate, all our filling, so that it doesn't come out of the batter and doesn't show. So I'm going to cover as much as I can. I finished this pot here. I'm going to cover my frying pan off low heat and leave it here for about 5 minutes. After that, just open it up. It will already be nice and loose, and I'll flip it like this. See? Leave it for 1 more minute on the other side. And for the kids, to please them even more, we can use chocolate sprinkles, colored sprinkles, black sprinkles, white sprinkles to further entice them to eat this pancake. And we'll do the same process. I'm going to open a pancake here so you can see what it looks like inside. It's a complete meal for breakfast, considering this pancake turns out extremely large. Look at this, guys, how delicious. Super well filled. So you can use your creativity at home